Oh, hi. Kat Wilson here. I'm the owner of a Positiva in Portland, Oregon, and I am enjoying my morning walk. We're not too far from beautiful things here in Oregon. And in the Portland area, I can go to a river, I can go through a forest. And in the morning, it's nice to be able to connect with nature, especially knowing that there are so many beautiful changes going on which are just like us, witnessing the changes in time. There's also something really beautiful in the stillness. Of course, I'm by a bubbling brook right now, and there's a beauty in the water, still moving. And yet I know there's a world out there not too far from me. There are some traffic places. But right now, I'm actually in a nice little deep part of the forest alongside of the roads, just down a little bit, just enough to find stillness from the busy world. At a Positiva, I encourage my clients, and that includes people who come in for coaching, hypnotherapy, emotional freedom technique, or just training and learning how to do the same thing that I do. I encourage them to get out and feel the cleansing effect of a nature bath, and let that be a part of who you are, that stillness, so that you can be present for others. If you'd like to connect with me or learn more, please feel free to go to my website, apositiva.com. That's apositiva.com, or give me a call at 503-525-0595. In the meantime, I look forward to meeting you, and go for a walk. Enjoy your day.